Be so brand new, still got the stickers on the. Okay, nice. Your LT4? Got that?
We
In a Monty?
I have my water tank. No, I got a tank over here, and then the air box runs around it.
Got it pause on this. Oh, you put the hood on. What up, Rose?
What's up?
Nice.
This bolt here, it won't actuate.
Got the LT4 Chevelle tweaking that hood. Just put that hood on. What up, what? Just spun around on you. And that goddamn install look good.
Small one.
What up, bro? That shit looks so good. Sir.
That works.
LT4. Ready to go. Got an LT4. That motherfucker sounds so good.
Huh?
That bitch sounds so good.
Yeah.
Yes. Makes you want to rub on yourself.
I redid the gears. Got a new wiper motor in it under the hood, new wiper switch, new gas and brake pedal.
Right.
The guy come to look at it was like, nope, I need more stuff.
Can't just go out like that.
So we added more stuff.
Yes, sir.
Man, under the hood of this car is clean.
Yeah, I know it. He just showed me. Look, I told him. I said,
Like that. Oh no.
I said, where the wires? Right, cause that's what I thought he does. I know that's what's on the Monte Carlo, the regular. Get the big head in there. Final shoots. Finished up LT4. Woo. Dang, them bitches be sounding so great. Ain't gonna look good coming up at that thing though. Bugs. Scared of this one. Sounds so mean.
Yep.
Low. What train is this?
Correlated.
Okay.
This car, I mean, it's got put 22s on it with a 295, 30 on the back.
Yeah.
The guy lives in Memphis, so the roads up there are terrible. So we kind of tried to build it where he can ride it around his town and not bend the hell out of the wheels.
Gotcha.
So it's got a big tire on it, like a nice AC.
Yeah, the AC blowing.
And it feels good, nigga. It's like 90 degrees outside today. You gotta have a flapper.
Now flat.
You got a Chevelle and your flapper don't work. You don't maybe drive that motherfucker. This thing's got good batters.
And this one in the motor, what you got? Is it stop?
LT4, we put a cam in it.
Okay, you got a cam.
Yeah.
You hear that whine in this one, but
These blowers, they turn so damn fast, man, because it's a small blower. It's a 1.7 liter blower. So you got to turn a lot of RPMs to make any fucking power. Good little power. Plus I got this one more for a comfortable ride versus him going, like if he wants to show out, he can.
yeah.
But he can drive hop on the highway, cruise at 90, 100 miles an hour, like we're doing 80 right now, you know?
Everybody doing 80 then.
Yeah. Everybody flies with this one.
That damn exhaust, man. 3-inch?
Yeah, full 3-inch stainless steel manual bed.
Full 3. So you really got to give it some power for this to open up.
Yeah, it's closed under vacuum, so like if you're not in boost or right around the engine, it'll open up.
That shit popped up instantly. Yeah, on break.
That's how you know you're getting some boost.
That bitch sounds so crazy.
Yeah, like really, I actually just turned mine on.
It's crazy how they got a lock on that.
That's definitely this.
Yeah. Easy.
Oh
What that was about a quarter throttle?
yeah. Oh yeah.
About half. Still see the smoke back there. LT4 750.
No, well, this one's probably right around 685-ish.
To the wheel.
Yeah.
Close 700. That damn.
Full stainless exhaust,
Yeah,
all
that
man.
bitch sound great. That bitch sound too good. When he coming to get it?
He went out of town. When did he go out of town? Yesterday or the day before. I think he's gonna come top of the week.
But they don't really make shit for G-bodies though, I see. Most of us for the like older shit. See what it is.
The cat was trying to put a set of wheels on his car. And the guy kept asking me, I was like, look dude, send me 22 by 12 with fucking like 4 inches of backspace. I'll make the fucking wheel fit the car.
Oh, he ain't want it. He was acting like it
I
wasn't.
need to know this. I was like, dude, just send me the fucking wheels.
Right, whatever.
I'll make the car fit the wheel.
And what? He never sent them, or he ain't want to.
I just got tired dealing with cat.
Cat to my
Yeah, It's gonna jump.